Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start link building with Moz, full guide step by step clearly. To start link building with Moz, first, set up your Moz account. Navigate to the Moz homepage and click on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs, then enter your information to create your account. Once logged in, access the Link Explorer tool from the dashboard. Input your website's URL into the search bar and click on Search. Review the domain authority and other metrics provided for your site. Next, analyze the backlink profile to identify existing links. Use the Link Intersect feature to find websites linking to your competitors. Compile a list of potential sites that could link back to you. Research each potential website to assess relevance and authority. Craft personalized outreach emails to the webmasters of these sites. In your emails, explain why your content is valuable and how it benefits their audience. Follow up after a week if you haven't received a response. Track your outreach efforts in a spreadsheet to monitor progress. Once links are acquired, return to the Link Explorer to check improvements in your backlink profile. Continue to analyze and refine your strategies for ongoing link building success. Set goals for acquiring new links regularly to maintain momentum. Keep creating high-quality content that naturally attracts backlinks. Regularly update your Moz account to stay informed on your link building efforts. Engaging with your audience on social platforms can also enhance visibility. Finally, measure the impact of your link building efforts using analytical tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.